Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. First thing that jumps out is the price. The Philips is around $799, while the KitchenAid is a hefty $1,999.95.
Wow, that's quite a difference. So what are we getting for that extra money with the KitchenAid?
Well, the KitchenAid boasts a more premium build. It has a metal-clad construction, which suggests better durability. It is also heavier, weighing in at 40.45 pounds compared to Philips' 18.58 pounds. It also looks like it is made in Switzerland.
Okay, so build quality seems to be a win for KitchenAid. What about the coffee itself?
The Philips offers 12 preset coffee options and a LatteGo system for easy milk frothing. It's also got a 12-step grinder adjustment. The KitchenAid, on the other hand, lets you create personalized drink recipes and has over 40 recipe options, including tea. Plus, it has a removable bean hopper, which is convenient for switching beans.
40 recipes is amazing. What about cleaning?
The Philips highlights its easy cleaning, especially the LatteGo system, with only 2 parts and dishwasher-safe components. The KitchenAid has a Clean Me indicator and a programmable cleaning cycle. It has a feature that allows you to clean the milk hose.
Both seem pretty convenient. What about the grinder? Are they similar?
The Philips uses a ceramic grinder, promising 20,000 cups. The KitchenAid doesn't specify the grinder material, but that's a pretty good selling point for the Philips.
Alright, so Philips has the edge on grinder longevity. Anything else that stands out?
The KitchenAid has a dual drink delivery system, so you can brew 2 cups at once. It also has a color touchscreen. The Philips has user profiles.
Okay, so it really comes down to price versus features and build quality. If you want a more budget-friendly option with good features and easy cleaning, the Philips seems like a great choice. But if you're willing to spend more for premium construction, customizable recipes, and dual drink capability, the KitchenAid is the way to go.
Exactly, and the Philips is a renewed product, so there is that to consider. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.